casual outfit for adult. First I want to make a t-shirt. I'll start with some t-shirt fabric. I find a part where I can fold it in half. I'm going to cut 2.5 inches out from the fold and 3.5 inches going to the top and then just across. I cut a curve on both sides and then open it up. Then I cut 2 strips that are 3 inches long and 1.5 inch wide. This will be the sleeves. Out of the main piece, I cut a dip out of one side on the top. And both of the sleeves I'm going to fold over and hem one side. And then on the main piece, I'm going to fold over and hem the bottom. Now I'm going to line up the sleeves with this curved edge, and I'm going to sew it going all the way around. Then I'm going to fold it in half with the bad side facing out like this, and then sew from the bottom up to until it gets curved. Now I line up the sleeve with this curve, and I'm going to sew it all the way around to attach the sleeve. And then I fold the sleeves like this, and then I sew from the end of the sleeve to right before the curve in the middle starts on both sides. Turn it inside out. Now I'm going to cut down the back a bit so that I can put Velcro, and I can also sew on a collar. First I cut a thin strip and then I fold it in half like this. And I'm going to sew it on, starting from the edge and going to the other edge to make a collar. And then I sew Velcro onto both sides. You can also use iron-on or regular paper to make a logo on the front. Now let's make some pants. I'm going to make some black velvet sweatpants. I cut 2 pieces that are 2.5 by 7 inches. I cut a 2-inch notch at the top on both sides of both pieces. I line them up at one notch and then sew the whole thing to connect the 2 pieces. I also hem along the bottom of both pieces. I take a strip and fold it in half and line up the rough edge with the top and sew along to create a waistband. Now I fold the pant legs in half like this. And I'm going to sew from the bottom of one, going all the way around to the other. Turn it inside out. I'm going to attach Velcro to the back to make a cute outfit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought and what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. Bye!
Hey, I've been looking for this shirt. I wonder if there's a way where I won't lose it anymore. I'll definitely notice that. It looks a little hideous though. Eh, whatever.